from the rings of Saturn. It's Diana Avani from Vegas Slot Videos, where the fun happens.
Copy that.
So this is funny. I gave up on the 5 cents. I gave up on the 10 cents. Went back to the penny. Got $1.50. Wasn't doing too good. So I took my bet down to $1 and look what I hit. How about that on a dollar bet? I just saw the major fly by. I wish the major would land. Got the mini. That was nice. Ooh, another 50. That was a nice bonus. In Las Vegas, playing Heartthrob. I like this game. I'm with Booch. She's playing Moonrace. Let's see here. I shall bet $2.50, I guess. Oh my goodness. Okay. She got a bonus right away. Yay! That's delicious.
Okay, do something, please. Oh!
That's promising.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, do it.
I might go into that one. This one sometimes you pick up quite a bit.
Yeah, yeah, it varies.
Okay, 48.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to try 10 cents denomination too here. You want to hit that minor up there, or the grand, or the major. Come on, heart me. Heartthrob, get my heart going. Get my heart throbbing.
Come on, Heartthrob.
Oh, darn you. Moon me. The moon symbol, you know. Moon me. Three moons, please. I went back to 8 petals, got a bonus, but it wasn't a good one. Giving up on that one. I'll tell you, that grand's really up there. You don't,
Yeah.
usually see it that high. Come on, let's see the hearts. It is really freezing cold in this section. Moons, darn you.
got one. Look at it. It's a juicy one.
Sorry.
It's a juicy win already.
Go! Go, 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 go!
Come on. There's our numbers.
Do it, please.
Come on.
Yes.
That's it.
Come on! One more. Come on, do it. Yes!
Got the mini. Let's get the major.
Oh, yeah.
I saw the major fly
Yes.
by, I think.
Okay, come on, come on, come on.
Oh,
yes!
wow. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, come on. Good. Oh, yeah!
Now the music's excited. Yeah. Music's very excited.
Ah! The story happened. Come on! Yes!
Oh my God. Okay.
Very
It
exciting.
is. It's very exciting.
Okay, I just have to stop and say I still won.
Okay.
Okay. One! Go, go, go! Ah!
Come on. Come on.
No, but
Go,
still,
beautiful bonus.
but still.
Yes, it is. Back at Lightning Link here, trying to make Tiki Fire give us some money. Well, that would have been nice if it hit the first one, but no. At least if I hit max button, it won't matter. Oh, not bad. Come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, I hate you, Tiki Fire. That's just a taunt. That was a big taunt at us. Yes! 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 It's not as big as some of the numbers we've seen, but it could be juicy. Do you want to start us out? Show us a big number, please. Come on, big number. Big, big number. Come on, come on, come on. Uh-oh. What's it doing here? I'm not liking this. Thank you. Oh, 75 Rose. Liking that one. Yay. Keep it going. Keep it going. Major, 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 major. Don't stop now. Big number. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Well, we did get a 75 and a 50 in here. Actually, it didn't off too much money yet from this round. Okay, 200. So basically, we got our money back we lost. Should we see if it's going to continue? Should we play it to 3 or 200 or something?
Let's at least let's make it great.
Okay. I don't know whose turn it was. Never know, it could drop them again really quick. I've had it happen before. to see the volcanoes redeem themselves by giving us quick photos. Oh.